People working on the front lines of this fight against COVID-19 know firsthand this pandemic can take a real toll on your mental health.
And now there's a new app, too, that's going to help our frontline heroes take care of their mental health. News 4's Alexandria Adams is live outside Vanderbilt Hospital with more on this very important tool, Alexandria.
That's exactly right, Lauren. Yeah, it's called the Heroes Health app. And get this was actually thought of by an emergency room doctor who survived COVID himself. It's resources like this that are helping our frontline workers get through it. The Heroes Health app supports healthcare workers by helping them keep track of their mental health. For example, questions like if the frontline worker feels anxious or nervous. The app makes short mental health assessments each week, giving those healthcare heroes a summary of their symptoms to help them understand their current mental state and changes over time. Something Devin Bunch, nurse manager at Vanderbilt Medical's ICU, says is very important.
Putting yourself in a situation where you could potentially be infected. The nurses that are having to deal with, the changes with childcare, with the school systems, and all of the things that have kind of really impacted them on a personal level, and they're trying to juggle those things and still meet their requirements and coming into work.
Since Bunch and his team work firsthand with COVID patients, they often lean on each other as support systems.
It's making sure that everyone's getting adequate, time away from work, and when they're coming in, they're able to provide their full energy and focus on the patient care.
Now, that app also directs healthcare workers to outside resources. If you would like to learn more, if you're a healthcare worker yourself, about that app, we have information on our News 4 app. But coming up at 5, I'm going to be talking about resources that Vanderbilt is already supplying their essential workers.